Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my videos with me. So today we have the Shimano popper. We have this guy. We have this guy. We got the snake, and then here's the Shimano popper. And we also, oh shoot, I forgot the worms. We got the Shimano popper, which, we got the remote control boat, which I forgot the worms for that, so we might not be using that. Okay guys, I just went back and I got the worms and I got them for the boat, and we have a robot fishing lure, Donald Trump lure, and it's like the second day after Christmas, and that's actually pretty good. We're starting to get ice on the pond now, but normally we already have ice, but we have no snow. But we have frost. So, the heck? Worms are chewing their way out. They're trying to chew their way out. What the heck? I don't know. There's one right there, guys. So, I think we have to keep them like this now, unless I grab one. I think I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I'm gonna go get everything out of the shed. Grass might be a little crunchy. It's a nice day today. A little cold. Oh, that's cold. Whoa, that's cold. I don't know if you guys heard that, but it was actually like a little frozen. It's definitely frozen. There we go. Okay. Here we go. Then we need a CV doctor. Let's get the caster out. Don't know if we're going to be using both of them or just one of them. I'm just going to see if I see a bug. Yes, we do. We've got one. We've got a bug cover right here. Let's go. Okay, now I think we're actually going to be using both poles now, because we're going to be using the robot. Just like we have robot lawnmowers. And one of these, soon I'm going to be doing like, you know, the 24 days of Fish and Joy ones. I have that. I have the playlist of that. So, I don't know if you guys are new to the channel, then you guys probably don't know what I'm talking about. But if you aren't new to the channel, you probably do. So, please hit the like and subscribe button right now, and let's get started. Comment below what I should do next, and I'll try my best to get that. So here's the robot. We're gonna hook it up. We're gonna take Donald Trump off. He's right here. He is a topwater fishing lure. If you guys wanna get him off Amazon. And set him down. I'm gonna put him as a shallow diver right now, because the pond is not like super deep. Like it's like 15, 16, 17 feet deep. But we're gonna be putting him out. We're gonna set the bobber deep, not like we don't want him going deep, super deep. We want the bobber go deep. We want him to just be like about that size. That's deep enough. There. Now. You can get the robot like I'm using off Amazon. And yeah. So this bobber's not working too well for me. So we're gonna be putting a live worm on the boat. There we go. Finally. Just like that. I'll see if I can get it so you guys can see him swimming. It's him swimming. Okay, now we're gonna cast him. Right there, I guess. Not him. Wait, hold on, guys. I want to make sure, because he's like $20. I want to make sure that I have him hooked on good. Perfect. Yep, I do. Okay. Bobber's right there. And yeah, so we're gonna let that sit while we put maybe, I don't know what we're gonna put on yet. So yeah. I don't think the thing is on the bottom. I don't think he's swimming. I don't think he can swim. I think we gotta cast him a little deeper here. Yes, we gotta cast him deeper. Perfect. We got him deep now. I'll zoom in so you guys can. Great. There. The orange yellow thing. That's my bobber. Okay, now the fish is swimming for me. It's a robot. We don't have a robot lawnmower, so I don't have to worry about the pole getting ran over. And I think we're gonna we're gonna get the boat set up. Now, set that there. I have no idea how that got so like cold, cause like it was in the shed, but yeah. Oh shoot, I don't know how I'm gonna open this thing because of the ice. Okay, it's on. The battery's almost dead, so we're gonna put the other battery in. And yeah. New battery right here. And yeah. So, drop a comment below what kind of fishing I should do, like what kind of fish you like to catch, and yeah. I'll try to see. One time I might do that kind of fishing for you, and you might get to see it. I'm putting the battery in here. Oh, that thing's hard. It turned off. There we go. We have a little, dang it, I forgot to turn it on. There we go. Now, we just gotta put a warning on. It's really cold, so that's why I'm not really casting and reeling that much. That's why I'm just like doing like I'm using baits that are more so kind of like let it sit, wait until you got a fish, and then like reel it in or something. Right now, good, we got it all set. We gotta go a little ways for where we do not have any ice and where we don't hit anything. So yeah, there you go. It's a little icy. Let's go. drive it off. Right there. I'm putting it in my shoulder. Honestly, I have no idea where the blue go, like the hangers or anything right now. Not much. Now we're gonna be doing like the cast and jig, things. I just wanted to get those things out first. I think we're gonna put a top water on here. You know what? I'm not putting top water. Guys, comment below which one I should use next. Like which lure I should use next. Look up this one, this one, this one, this one, or this one for my next video. And I'll try to remember that for you. And yeah, so I think we're gonna go for a bright one right now. Honestly, I have no idea which one's brighter. I'm gonna say this one. Comment below which one is. So first of all, shoot, we're not using that. Wish I had my accession. Oh, we're not doing it. No. I think there's good water additions for this. Please, 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 please. Should we guys use, please like and subscribe, please. Should we use the Donald Trump lure or Shimano? I'm gonna use Shimano first. Ouch. I hooked myself with Donald. And yeah. First we're gonna put this back in. Guys, I cannot feel my hands, so please like and subscribe. No. Go away, Archie. Okay. First, I gotta warm my hands up a little. Okay. Now, let's see if I can get the Shimano. Guys, those of you who like the Shimano popper and actually have used it before, comment below which color you like the best. I want to know that. So yeah. We want to make some action in the water here. Got a minnow last night with the boat. With my hands in the boat. Because I was over there actually, where the ice is now. Oh shoot. I scared a minnow onto the shore, and he started flapping, so I caught him. So I grabbed him with my hands, and I threw him back. So, what's your best fishing conditions? Like, what do you like the most, guys? Comment below your favorite fishing lure. I don't know if I already said that. So yeah. We got the popper, got the boat, got the robot. I haven't checked on the robot for a while. I think I'm gonna check on him. How shallow he is right now. So I hope we got one. Because the fish, honestly, are probably not moving too good, like too fast right now anymore because of the ice. I got a little bird's nest in my bait caster here with the Shimano. I'm gonna get the Shimano in here quick. Oh, come on, I caught ice. There we go. Well, the Shimano has sharp hooks to catch ice. I think. Oh, the ice is just not too strong right now. We don't have one, guys. Let's see if he's still working. And that's the bait moving, not me. Swims, breaks, and then swims, and then breaks. So, this is my first time ever using this bait. So, yeah, just got it for Christmas. Close to my birthday, actually. Oh, it's cold. I don't think I'm using the Shimano anymore. I think that we're super close. I cannot speak right now. Close to ending the video, and yeah. We're gonna get out here. Where is he? Right by the sewer pipe. He goes under. So guys, when I drive the boat backwards, it goes under. So it's actually kind of funny that he does that. Because you normally wouldn't want a boat to do that. And like, if a boat does that, if like a mini one, and they like did like an actual speedboat that like you can sit in off this, you'd think you'd actually be like a different one. Did I get bluegill there? Guys, so there it is. I'm gonna go backwards right now. See? So yeah. It's like glass. Sounds like glass right now. Try to spin it. Okay, going backwards. We're gonna go right there. See if we can get a fish. Just going all over the pond. you know what? We're close to wrapping it up here since we have no bites. But yeah, I'm gonna lead it over here. You gonna say get a big fish? Okay, I got it. Right. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. We got a propeller. I should say the propeller caught us. Honestly, I have no idea what the temperature is right now, guys. So, this sucks. This just sucks. There we go. Or not. Honestly, I think we have to cut the line here. This sucks. Just sucks. Now we have to cut the line. It's like the second day I use it too. At least it's 20 pound, not 8 pound. Otherwise, I probably would have cut the line with this thing. I think that would actually have been better. Yeah. Not getting at all. Lucky I noticed it. It started like dragging it into the middle, and then like it's stuck there forever. Like the battery dies. It's like, ouch! I hooked myself. I'm fine. That just hurt. Okay, now I'm actually putting this on the side of me so I don't get hooked again. In my other videos, you might see me with my fly rod. In some of my other videos, you might. Like some of my new videos, I might post some with my fly rod. And me. Because I didn't catch anything yet on them. But I haven't really spent much time. So we almost got it, guys. We got it. But it's a big tangle. Yeah. Let's take the bobber off here. No idea how this even happened either. It's a big tangle, but I'm actually doing pretty good on it. I know what happened here now. Oh, no, I don't actually. I'm actually doing really good here. Actually, really good. It's all fixed. Well, that's it for today. Hold on one sec. Let's see if we get anything here. If we get something here, then I'm staying out. But if we don't, I'm going in. Martin. Well, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Give me a second here, guys. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye. We didn't have good luck.